Parents always demand that their child gets 100% score. Since using Littlebridge, it's helped to get the 5 shields, which I'm very happy about, and also the students as well, and the parents.
It prepares them for the Cambridge test. They don't realise that they're actually speaking, they're just playing a game.
I've been teaching English for 20 years now. In year 6 they have to take what they call key content exams, and one of the exams is English. We're very worried about that, but we don't know what the outcome could be. But actually they came out with flying colors. I mean, it was fantastic. Actually the results they got here, being a full state school, could compare to private schools where they do a lot more of English a week. And I think that Littlebridge helped a lot to get those results.
Children just love going on Littlebridge and are always asking, can we go on Littlebridge? Can we go on Littlebridge? They absolutely love it.
It's such high quality. Try it.
They can be successful with a minimum of help. They can work on the programme at home as well as in school. They enjoy it, and because they enjoy it, they'll come back to it time and time again.
Littlebridge has been a great addition to my school.
Je suis même sidérée des progrès chez les CE2. Ils essaient de parler, ils ont envie de parler, ils sont rentrés directement dans une communication. Et quand ils reviennent en classe, ils me parlent en anglais, ils me disent ce qu'ils ont fait en anglais, ils s'expriment avec les mots de Littlebridge. Alors là, moi, je dis, c'est spectaculaire.